Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain Chevron Tectron Concentrate Plus. This product is a premium fuel system cleaner designed for gasoline engines. It utilizes advanced polyether amine, or P, technology to effectively clean harmful deposits. These deposits can build up on critical components like fuel injectors and intake valves. The cleaner is formulated to work in just one tankful, aiming to restore your engine's. Tectron Concentrate Plus offers several key benefits for your vehicle. It helps restore lost power, acceleration, and can even improve fuel economy. You might also notice a reduction in annoying engine knock and ping, along with better cold start performance. The product's precision clean technology works by suspending deposits from critical engine parts, then safely burning and expelling them through the exhaust system. Beyond the collection-level road, the token shop is a vital resource. You can spend collector's tokens, earned from reserves, to directly acquire specific cards you desire. The shop rotates its offerings regularly, featuring cards from various pools. Additionally, the Premium Season Pass provides a brand new card each season, along with many other valuable rewards like variants and currency. So, is Chevron Tectron Concentrate Plus worth it? Many experts and users report noticeable improvements in engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. It effectively cleans critical fuel system components in just one tankful. This product is compatible with various ethanol blends and different gasoline engine types. Considering its proven track record and benefits, it can be a valuable tool for preventative maintenance, helping your engine run smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.